Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can transfer each design on paper, with different methods. I hope you will learn something with this video, so, let's go for tutorial. Number 1. Print a pictures. This method is one of the easiest methods. Make the back of the paper completely black with a pencil as you can see. It is better to do this with 8B pencil, because it is easier with this pencil. After that, all the lines that you draw on the paper from your design will be transferred to the back paper, and you will easily transfer the design on the paper. Be careful not to press the pencil too hard on the paper as the backing paper will be damaged, and your drawing will be damaged, so I told you to use the 8B pencil so that, when you apply a little pressure to the paper, the design transfer to the back paper. Use mechanical pencil, because it makes your job easier and more accurate. Number 2. Light table or screen. The screen and the light table are both the same, but the screen is better, because you can see the details better, but if you use the light table, you can get a good result. But if you do not have a screen and a light desk, you can use parchment and printing paper. Number 3. Parchment paper. Parchment paper is one of the cheapest and easiest methods. Just to use it, you need to print the designs through the screen and whatever you can choose, and put the parchment paper on it. How to use it is like printed paper, just put paper on the design, and draw the design. After that, turn around paper, and completely blacken the design, like printed paper, and draw. Be careful when blackening the parchment paper, not on the original paper does this because the design on your original paper will move upside down. Number 4. Tabulation. Tabulation helps you to put your design on paper more easily. This can help you visualize better, but it can also make you weak in design. After learning this part, I will tell you the problems of this part. So, the way to do this is that you have to tabulate your original design with a simple mobile phone and through photo editing, and the other way is printed by hand on paper. Draw your picture into smaller pieces, and then work on it. Exactly as I draw, you can even blacken the paper, and transfer the design to the backing paper. Before the problems of this part, I must say that all these ways are a kind of fraud, and in order to become a professional painter, you have to do the design either with the method of tabulation or in the form of an eye, which I will teach you in my channel. Now it's time for the problems of this part. This method can help you or weaken you. The more you divide the design into larger squares, the harder your design will be, and it will usually help you to become a better painter. But if you divide the design into small squares, you will weaken in painting over time. Number 5. Projector. This method is also a kind of fraud, but for very large projects, this does not constitute fraud. But if your design is small, it will be fraud. If you need a projector, you can easily make one of them. To make it, you only need 2 magnifying glass lenses, and smartphone, and a box that is completely black inside. Like a shoebox. Because I do not want the video time to be too long, I will not teach it, but with a simple search you can find content to make it. Note that the projector you are making must have 2 lenses, otherwise it will not be suitable for drawing. If you need, leave me a comment so that I can prepare a tutorial for you about it. Number 6. Visual and mental design. This method is the most difficult, and of course the most valuable method that is done with the help of the eyes and without special tools. This method requires more practice, but there are methods and exercises that you can do in a short time and take excellent results. I also put special tutorials about this in my channel that you can use. I hope I helped you and you learned something. This is a way to help you draw more realistically. I have also prepared videos for you about painting exercises, from which I hope you will learn something. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, email me or ask me in the comment section, or you can come to my Discord channel to help you. And if you have a request for special training, send me a message so that I will make a tutorial for you, and record a video. I love you and I hope to see you next videos.